I will now insert a socketed cap screw to retain this form punch that has already been mounted into the tool assembly. I'll select LogoPress Standard Component Library and select the socketed cap screw. First, I'll select the screw head plate. Then I'll select the tap plate, which will be the punch. I'll select a size for the screw. Screw and the holes will adjust its sizes. I can also change the hole type to a different tap tool. Click OK, puts me into a positioning sketch, and I'll use the LogoPress Automatic Pattern. I will select a single point, which will go into the very center of the punch. I'll exit that. If I would like to offset the distance, I can change that. Exit the sketch, and it will create the holes in the appropriate plates and insert the screw.